The next use is in glass industry. They are used to impart certain properties or attractive properties to glass. So, for example, strength of glass can be achieved by the use of lanthanides and actinides. Hardness in a particular type of glasses can be achieved with the help of lanthanides and actinides. Their inertness, where they are used not to react with species or in an environment which is rich in chemical species, where the reaction between glass and those species is possible. So in that case, the use of inert glasses is mandatory, and lanthanides and actinides are used to design such inert glasses. Now, they can also be used during the color of ceramics. So this is again an industrial process, and some special method or special procedure has to be adopted in order to use lanthanides and actinides. And a high reflective glasses can also be obtained by the use of lanthanides and actinides. So the in electronic industry, it also has some certain applications. For example, production of red color TV screens. This is possible because of use of lanthanides and actinides. Silicon chips are possible because of lanthanides and actinides. Light emitting diodes, they are used in the production of LEDs, and compact fluorescent light. So this is incandescent light, and we are usually and normally using it our homes, our offices, or other institutions such type of lights. So this is incandescent light, and lanthanides and actinides are used in the production of these lights. These metals are used in the production of UV resistance glasses and optical lenses. So this is again a useful use of lanthanides and actinides. And the most useful use of lanthanides and actinides in the field of medicines. So they can be used as in radiotherapy of treatment against cancer. Radiotherapy, as this is a technique where cancer is treated. This can also be used as MRI contrast agent, and in nuclear medicine it is used as imaging reagents, or imaging nuclear medicines are produced or formed due to the use of lanthanides and actinides. Because now if you look, so radiotherapy is possible because of the use of those species which are radioactive. MRI contrast agents, again, they are those species which are radioactive. And nuclear medicines, so the name indicates that definitely they are those species, are the medicine contains certain radioactive material, so they can be used because lanthanides and actinides, most of them are radioactive, particularly actinides. They are used to alter some electronic properties of compounds, for example, electrophilicity. If we want to change the electrophilicity of compounds in a desired manner, then we have to use lanthanides and actinides. In automobile industries, automobile exhaust system, they can be used for the purpose of catalytic converter. This catalytic converter is used to minimize the emission of carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide to our environment. So this converter ensures complete oxidation of carbon in order to give carbon dioxide, and to eliminate or to minimize the production of carbon monoxide, which is the result of incomplete combustion during the automobile exhaust system. So they are used as catalyst in automobile the catalytic converters. They can also be used in oil refinery industry. So probably, definitely there will be certain protocol to use them in oil refinery industry for purification of oils. Then they are used in high temperature superconductors. and in radar system they are used in detection material, and this detection is possible because of certain properties of lanthanides and actinides, which are because of their magnetic properties. And I'm sure you are aware of magnetic properties of lanthanides and actinides. All of them are normally, not all, but majority of them are magnetic in nature because of unpaired electrons present in F subshell of these species. And finally, the last one, the last use of lanthanides and actinides is in hybrid cars. So, if you remember, we discussed that they can be used in lead storage batteries. So, this is also hybrid cars also works on, or they operate on lead storage batteries. So, they can be used as material, useful material in the production, or what we can say in hybrid cars. This was the last lecture of lanthanides and actinides. I wish you all the best, and inshallah in next lecture we will start our next course of pi acceptor ligands, that is more related to coordination chemistry. Thank you very much.